On today's menu, two incredible summer refreshers, lemon ginger and lavender berry.
Summertime is all about the cool drinks. These two refreshers are super easy to make and will absolutely impress your friends.
Ginger, lemon, cane sugar, stir, ice, pour, sparkling water, lemon ginger refresher, ready.
Next up, berry lavender.
Hot pan, cane sugar, lavender,
That smells incredible. Now we're actually making a lavender syrup.
water,
These are frozen cherries. I'm just going to quarter them.
cherries,
And just strain through your lavender syrup.
ice, sparkling water, lavender berry refresher, ready. Garnish with mint. Two incredibly easy summer drinks ready to go.